Welcome back to Keep It Simple Baya, where we believe that fashion should be a reflection of your unique spirit. In today's video, we dive into the captivating world of kaftan dress inspiration. Join us as we unravel the beauty, versatility, and sheer elegance of this timeless garment. What is kaftan dress? First things first, let's explore the essence of a kaftan dress. From its origins in ancient cultures to its modern-day interpretations, a kaftan dress embodies effortless grace and comfort. Its loose, flowing silhouette offers freedom of movement, while its exquisite fabrics and intricate details elevate it to a wearable work of art. Types of kaftan dresses. Now, let's delve into the enchanting realm of kaftan dress variations. Each style we encounter reveals a different facet of this captivating garment. Whether it's the bohemian-inspired patterns, the ethereal elegance of silk, or the fusion of traditional and contemporary designs, there's a kaftan dress for every occasion and personal taste. As we conclude our journey through the kaleidoscope of kaftan dress inspiration, we invite you to explore your own unique style and embrace the allure of these exquisite garments. Whether you're seeking a statement piece for a special event or a comfortable and chic outfit for everyday wear, the world of kaftan dresses offers a myriad of possibilities. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Keep It Simple Baya, so you never miss out on our upcoming videos. Join our community of fashion enthusiasts, where we celebrate the beauty of simplicity and empower one another to express our authentic selves through style. So go ahead, find your inspiration, and let the kaftan dress become your canvas of self-expression. Together, we'll navigate the realm of fashion with grace, confidence, and a commitment to keeping it simple. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, embrace the beauty.